Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia, and this video is related to direct PhD opportunities in United States and Australia. I always tell my students that direct PhD after BTech or after MSc is the best option, career option for you, because you need not to spend a lot of money in your MS course. At the same time, there are wonderful opportunities after PhD in these countries. The best destination and the largest destination for direct PhD opportunities is United States of America. There are 200 plus universities which we can target. Why I'm saying 200? Because these are really good universities, whether QS rank is more than 200 or less than 200, but they're the best universities for Indian students as far as funding is concerned, as far as opportunities after PhD is concerned. It is not that PhD we should see only funding, but the most important thing is opportunities after PhD. You should get a very good job after PhD in industries or academia. So in United States or abroad foreign countries, 80% of the times you are going to get industrial R&D jobs. Now after US, the second is Australia. Australia has 20 plus good universities which Indian students can target. So I always give this formula of 222. 200 United States, 20 Australia, 2 Singapore. All these countries, direct PhD opportunities are there. As you know, Singapore is a very small country, only 2 good universities, but reputed universities. NUS rank 7 or 8 and NTU rank 11. So these 2 universities also direct PhD is accepted. Now United States, it is maybe easiest because universities are more. Australia will ask for your research publication, and Singapore is competitive because of high rank of the universities, plus many Asian students from China and South Asian countries, they want to go to Singapore for their education. That is the reason the competition may be little more. So if you have decided, if your credentials are good, what are the credentials required? Number one, in BTech you have done good internships, good projects, your CGPA is more than 7.5, and you may be from good college. Now let's say you are not from good college, your college is tier 2 tier 3 college, but you have done very good project in your BTech or internship is very good, then also you will get the opportunity. I have many of my students who were from tier 2 tier 3 colleges in India, but they managed to get fully funded direct PhD after their BTech. Why? Because they did very good internship or they did very good project. Now this list which I'm going to show to you is for engineering graduates. If you are targeting for direct PhD in US or Australia, for Australia you need to have research publication with you. But if you're targeting for direct PhD in 2027, you need to start mailing professor now, and that mail has to be warm email. Incidentally, in United States, direct PhD or for that matter PhD positions are explored by mailing to the professor. You need to mail professor, but the professor should be relevant professor working in your field, plus he should be willing to take PhD students and he should have funding. These 3 conditions, YourPedia Global Mentors will help you to identify such professors. Once you have identified such professor, next thing comes is warm emailing them. Now warm emailing is different from cold mailing. Don't do cold emailing. Warm emailing means you convince professor that you know his work and you will be an asset for his research group. So if you hire me professor, I'll be doing this work. That is what your warm email template should be. YourPedia Global Mentor will tell you how to do it. Now let me show you those opportunities where in the past YourPedia Global students have got positive responses, they got selected, and the opportunities are there. So the entire admission process starts from October till January Feb for 2027 session. Now this one is for mechanical engineering graduates. You can stop the video and you can see, okay, if you are from solid mechanics, fracture mechanics, fatigue, composite manufacturing, if you are in this area, he is the professor and this is the university. If you are from this area, micro and nano fabrication, microfluidic, molecular detection, micro machining, laser processing, you know your research area. If you're a mechanical engineer and you have done your project or internship or you are somewhere connected to these research areas and you fit in credentials like CGPA is good, college is good, research work is very good, internship is very good, if you fit in that, then you can start mailing these kind of professors. And in case you fit in that and you are interested for these friends, then get in touch with Ishita ma'am and she will further connect you with the global mentors including me for profile assessment. And if we find your profile to be good, then you can start mailing. Now same is for other. You need to see your research background. This for or mechanical, Like if you have worked in the dynamic modeling, you know, you have worked in that fluid structure interaction, you have worked in this kind of experimental methods, mechanics structures, safety, construction robotics, automation, data analytics. These all are for mechanical engineers. You can stop the video if you worked in FEM, CFD, digital twins, you are working in these kind of domains, remote sensing, GIS, that is also relevant for other branches. Like, so these were for civil engineering, sorry, these were for civil engineering, computer science, they are high probability, you know, domains. Electrical and electronics, smart grid, microgrid, renewable energy systems, if you worked in that, electric vehicles, electronics and electrical, chemical engineering, catalytic dehydrogenation of LOHC, I don't know what is this, but biomass conversion, fuel, chemicals, materials, polymer, biopolymers, environmental engineering, lot of funding for environmental engineering, material science and engineering, material science, aerospace engineering, just see the research area, agriculture engineering, architect. Okay, so these were some of the opportunities, friends, and in case your research matches with any of these, you can get in touch with Ishita ma'am. You can drop your WhatsApp message to her. She will do the profile assessment for you, and let's start exploring the opportunities abroad for direct PhD. Thank you.